In this video, we will be discussing a neutron star. The first thing I'd like to say, however, is according to my theory of evolution of planets and the universe by extension, there are four stages of solar development. The first stage is the incubative stage, which is where the sun is formed within the black hole, and that is in one of my other videos on this channel. And secondly, the supernova stage, where you have the quantity of material which is consumed by the sun, the newly formed sun, supersedes the ability of the cloud to mask it, so it is revealed, so it comes out as a supernova. The third stage, or generative stage, by which the sun now is able to generate new forms of especially planetary systems or planets, and the fourth stage, which is characterized by a comet, which is the stage by which the sun is no longer available, or fuel is no longer available to the sun by virtue of its location or by virtue of its inability to find itself or move itself around to areas where there is a availability of fuel or hydrogen. This process means that we are looking primarily at the neutron star, which is the third or generative stage. The sun is formed in this stage of development, which is characterized by the black hole stage of development, and it feeds by feeding on or consuming hydrogen. This hydrogen, which is the most abundant element in the universe, provides a fuel and is consumed in a fully formed sun and processed through a process called nuclear synthesis. This process of nuclear synthesis produces three items: one, light; two, radiation or electromagnetic radiation; and three, heavy elements. The light and the electromagnetic radiation we are very clear on by simply looking at the sun. The third characteristic, or the third product formed, being heavy metal, is not that obvious and would reside over time in the center of the sun, as it is formed through a process of convective movement of hydrogen that allows it to find itself in the center of the sun. Over time, this causes a layering and an increasing density of the solar mass. This process continues over time, forming a heavier and heavier, more and more dense form, which over time creates a hindrance to the processing capability of the solar body. This hindrance, similar to what you would find in the process by which humans digest food and produces feces, to a position where you would have the sun producing a heavy element as the last, should I say, product of the digestive system, if you're looking at it in a humanistic context, of the hydrogen. Over time, that system, or that ball of heavy elements, becomes ejected. This ejected body is the basis of planetary formation.